Okay, in this video we're going to install a protective boot on this M12 fuel stubby here. But I wanted to show you my impact wrench. This is the 2662 impact wrench that I've had since, I don't know, 2007 is my best guess. So anyway, I wanted to show you that. So we'll zoom in, you can see all the dirt and these little black areas here. Those are the rest areas when you set it down, lay it on the floor or the desk the workbench, the toolbox, shelf, whatever. But as you can see, you know, it gets thoroughly abused over time, and all this dirt that's on here, I've actually wiped this off with several cleaners, but it's pretty much penetrates in there. But the main thing for the protective boot are the impact areas or the rest areas. This little triangle right here, and there's a little bit, it's difficult to see black on black. Let me see if I can turn it a little bit. You can see that protrusion right there, can you? Maybe. But that's where it's going to rest. So when you set it down, it's going to rest on those two locations. And then the back end, well, I have a battery on there, so it's going to rest on the battery. But if you have a compact battery, then it's just going to rest on the hard plastic of the compact battery. Just right there on the touch point. So those three touch areas are going to be the contact areas when you set it down. So let's look at the protective boot. So this is the 255420, and the protective boot is going to say somewhere, there we go, 255420. So it also fits the other ones, which are half-inch drive. The reason a half-inch drives are different is because one has the indent, what do they call it? The pin detent. And the other one has just the clip on there. You just put the socket over top of it and it holds it on. So let's open up the package. So let's see if I can get in here. Oh, it's designed for anti-theft, I guess. Get it out here. Smush it all over the place. Well, let me get it out off camera because I'm just squeezing and everything. Now it's solid. I thought it would be split, but it looks like we're going to feed it in. And so there's one impact. There's the other touch area. It needs to leave the lights exposed. Oops. So we need that exposed. All right, there are no instructions. I double checked, but as a guy, I'm not allowed to read them anyway. Let's see if I can get some of this on camera. Don't want to drop it. Looks like it stretches pretty good. Now let me put it on over my work area here. That way I don't drop it. Alright, that's on. That's on. Oh, I have a light here too, so it can't cover up the light. It needs to fold over there. Alright. Oh, I see. That's the clip. Yeah, I took the clip off because I don't use it. I don't put them on belts or anything. So that's what that is. So that's for the clip. There's one on both sides. I put the screw back in there, but I don't have the metal belt clip or hanging clip or whatever the heck it is. So there we have the front. Oops. There we have one side. Back, same as the other side. Top, oh yeah, you need to expose, I'm set on one. you need to expose your settings so you can set it where you need to set it, and then the bottom. So it needs to expose the charge indication, and the other side doesn't have one. So anyway, so it's a much larger area to set it down. It's not just the 3 points, 1, 2, 3. It's now this large area here. Looks like you can also set it on top. Yep, didn't fall. Set it on both sides. Set it on the back. Doubt if I'd ever set it on the front with a socket on there. Anyhow, 99% of the time you just lay it down like this. So there you have the protective boot. If you want one, they make them for the fuel products. I haven't really seen it for the older ones like my 2662 impact wrench. They might, I don't know. Well, it was pretty easy to put on. It was very flexible. I don't see where you'd ever take them off. I've never taken one of these apart for any reason whatsoever. Not even a curiosity disassemble. So anyway, hope you like it. If you want one, there it is. Also, when you put it away, it does fit in a medium-sized drawer. You don't have to go to a deep drawer. Thank you for watching.